Hey everybody, and welcome to the Quadcopter review. I'm your host, Pepe Prawns. As always, I'm going to ask you on these videos to like, comment, and be a subscriber to the channel. You're going to want to be a subscriber if you want to get in on any of these giveaways. You're going to be able to check out any of the giveaways up here in the upper right hand corner of any of my videos anytime. You'll be able to check out what we've got going on in the way of giveaways. All you got to do is open this little guy up right here, and you'll see what's going on to that playlist of all the giveaways. So what we're here today to do is give away 2 more of these Super75x frames. Now these frames, you can convert any one of your brushless motors over to this carbon fiber frame. Comes with a canopy, all the standoffs, and all the goodies you need to put this together, and it works with, like I did a 75x, you can Franken build, you can, like I did with mine, with some different motors and some different parts. It will handle all the way up to, I think, 16 by 16, I think even maybe 20 by 20. Has mount holes for all different sizes of boards that you're going to go with. So if you haven't seen this before, what we do is we paste in our URL of the video. We go ahead and then let it see how many comments we got on it. We go down and we're going to hit the start button and see who our first winner is. So let's see who the first winner of a frame set is going to be. We've got Dan Kennedy. So let's click his name. Make sure he is a subscriber to the channel. If you're going to play, you must make sure that I can see if you are a subscriber to the channel or not. I see lots of likes of the videos on there. Thank you, Dan, for that as well. And then we're going to jump down here. Where's it at here? Down here at the bottom. And we're going to open up his subscriptions here, see what he's got. There we are. So definitely a winner. He's subscribed. So Dan, make sure you connect with me via email, pepeprawns@thequadcopterreview.com, and send me your information to where I can ship you your frame. So let's pop out and head and see who our second winner is going to be here. What we do is select another winner. Let's see who we get. And our second winner is going to be Enough Love. So Enough Love, let's check out his little channel there and see what he's got. There we are. Let's see, some more likes. Once again, thank you for also liking the video. Very appreciated. Let's check out his subscribers here. His subscriptions, pardon me. Gotta actually click it. There we go. And there we are. So definitely Enough Love is our second winner of a frame set. So same thing, Enough Love. Email me at pepeprawns@thequadcopterreview.com so I can get your shipping information and verify it's you and get this little frame kit out to you. So thank you for everybody else who participated. If I had more, I would love to give one to everybody, but I don't. So as always, again, you can look up here for any other giveaways. I've got like 2 or 3 more going on right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and be a subscriber if you want to win. And as always, guys, happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.